Hey guys, this is the iOttie wireless charging stand. I picked this up on Amazon for right about $40. It's got a sleek design with a nice fabric feel to it, and it's got fast charging with 7.5 watts for the iPhone and 10 watts for Android. The overall layout of the device is really nice. Like I said, a nice fabric coating all the way around. Very soft, sleek. They do have a couple different colors. I went with the gray. The bottom has a rubber base so that when it's on your desk or your nightstand, it's not going to slide around. It's also got a really nice rubber base here on the bottom so that when you put your device on it, it grips and stays on there very well. As mentioned in the picture, you can charge it both ways, landscape or portrait, because there are two Qi coils in there. Now, the device is powered by a USB-C right here in the back, conveniently located towards the bottom so that it stays out of the way. And it comes with a nice plug here that's going to work just fine, very sleek, easy to fit in the wall, easy to fit underneath a desk or the nightstand. Overall, I think it's an absolutely wonderful device, and the fast charging is fantastic. I usually see a huge jump in percentage over just a couple of minutes. So I highly recommend it. I haven't had any complaints so far, and I've been rocking it for about a month now. All right. Thanks, everyone.